How y'all doing? So here I am, man, to give you a quick check-in, quick update on our Airbnb and the progress.
Oh yeah, whoa, look, they can never keep me down, I'm going, and if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
Look, so as we look, right, we just finished getting our counters installed, our kitchen installed, so we did quartz countertops. Alright, we have our cabinets. We went with the black or the dark, supposed to be bronze, but it turned out to be more black and bronze. Accessories on the cabinets. We had moved our pendant lighting. Alright, so you get our pendant lighting, clean over our island. We went with a silver birch color on the paint, and just to brighten it up, so therefore the sunlight can bounce off the floor, bounce off the wall, and brighten up the space. And as you can see right here on the ceiling, we still got to patch up some things on the ceiling. That was the wall support. All right, because remember there was a wall right here that was removed and installed this island, which opened the space up. Man, we are 90% complete with this complete renovation job. We got the final things to do, such as put our sink faucet in, all right, connect our sink, our dishwasher, the stove, and refrigerator. And then we also have furniture coming in this week, so we're going to do our backsplash as well. We're going to do backsplash above the cabinet, so we're waiting on the cabinets to be installed in order for us to get that completed. But this is it. This is it. We're 90% complete. So we once we get our furniture in after this weekend, we finish up the minor details that we need to get done for this project. We're going to bring our team back in, the PP16. We're going to bring them back in so they can see the final product. All right, furnished right before we go live. We may do a in-house, open house type deal so we can talk about it with our team at the brokerage right before we go live with the Airbnb. But look, man, stay tuned. We have a lot. Come on, let me show you the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom.
Wait, it stopped.
No, it didn't. It's still going.
I can't see you.
I know, but it's still going. All right, so this is the master bedroom. It's not. It's not stopped. It's not stopped. Mess me up. Alright, so this is the master bedroom. Alright, so let's just show you that finished product now. In this, come in. So in this bathroom, we already sort of cleaned the bathroom out. We still need to do a final cleaning. But what we did was we came in and we sealed the bathrooms already. So the floor and the shower, all this right here, you see, is actually officially sealed, okay? Sealed means that we took this grout spray, all right? We cleaned it and we sealed it. So therefore, if it gets dirty, it's easier to clean when it's been sealed. So you don't get your dirt getting down in your white grout. All right, let's go to the other bathroom. Now, as we go into the other bathroom, as you see, we have our Nest thermostat. So therefore, we can monitor the temperature of the house, right, from our phones and adjust it accordingly. The people who will be staying here for the Airbnb, they have the flexibility to be able to adjust the thermostat a little bit. We have a range for them to be able to adjust it, but anyhow, we still control the main temperature. But here we are in our guest bathroom, and in the second bathroom, which, you know, this has been sealed. We still need a final cleaning again. Sealing. The rest of the floors of the house still need to be sealed. We haven't sealed those yet. Some other minor details that we'll be doing is doors. All right, we still need to clean and paint our doors and also install our closet doors. So it's going to look at the last bathroom. So in this room, we changed the light fixture from a fan to the light fixture for one reason. We have a bunk bed, right? It's a full-size bunk bed that's going in here that allows us to get more people to be able to sleep in this house. Okay, so this allows us to have 8 people with our full-size bunk bed. Okay, and this is the final bathroom. As you can see, we have a nice vanity, something that allows us to have more space. But again, the doors will still need to be painted and cleaned up. And the furniture, when the furniture come in this weekend, we're gonna be pretty much set. Next week, we'll do our walkthrough with our team. We have a new pool heater outside. We have a new pool pump that's being installed, I think this weekend. and we have a new pool light that's going to be installed. All right, and outside of that, there's a little component that we're putting on the pool heater, so therefore we'll be able to adjust the pool from our phone. That's one of the key factors that we're trying to make this thing automatic. All right, so outside of that, guys, like this is it. Let's go outside. I'm gonna show in the pool. So one last thing is we come outside, the landscaping, I put all the landscaping up and we redid the landscaping. So we have an issue here, right? So the water's been running, but for some reason, these trees are not getting sufficient water. That's why you see them dying. So I have to go and trace the irrigation system and make sure each one of these trees has its own water source. Let's go on the side. This light we had replaced, and we had this black piece of wood that we had painted black to match the structure of the light. But we had that one replaced and updated. And as you can see, this landscape is going to give us the privacy that we need for the tenants who are coming to stay. And as you can see, I've already ran the irrigation system over here, and you can tell by how green all the landscaping is. But this is our privacy wall. We're going to add some more that's going to block the pool and so forth to give 100% privacy. And we're going to add some more on that side as well. But this is our Airbnb. This is our Airbnb. We had our pool resurfaced, new pool pump, new pool heater, new paint, patch up some things on the outside, just outside, inside work. We're not gonna leave anything unturned, unclean. We're upgrading it, but we wanna make sure you have a comfortable, nice, right, luxury.